Hello friends, welcome back. Now let's create basic pages for our blog. So we will create a new folder inside src folder. So right click on src folder and click on new folder, and we can name this as pages. Okay. And inside the pages, I will create a new file and name it as home.js. Okay. And here I'll type RAFCE and press tab. RAFCE and press tab. Okay. And inside this div, let me remove this home, and inside this div I will add h1 tag, and here I'll say hello, welcome to our welcome to my blog. Okay. And after h1 tag I will add dummy text. So let's take a paragraph, and here I'll do lorem and 50 and press tab. Now let's copy the entire paragraph and I'll paste it, and the last paragraph will be lorem 100. Okay, press tab. So this is a bigger paragraph. Okay, let's save this. Now we will do some styling. So let's add some Tailwind CSS classes. So inside this div, I will add class name that is going to be margin bottom 20. Okay, let's save this and let's minimize this. Okay, let's close this. So we will get some space. So we have added this class margin bottom 20. So I just wanted to say you that this course is more focused on full stack development than web designing. So I wanted to make it easy and possible to look fairly good looking full stack up and running as easy as possible. So I will not explain each and every class of Tailwind CSS. If you want, you can buy my course on Tailwind CSS, which is only about Tailwind CSS, okay, which includes one project. So now here in h1 tag, I will add few classes. So class name that is equal to sm small device, text will be 4XL, and then text will be 2XL, then font will be bold, and margin from top and bottom will be 6, then text color will be gray 900. Let's save this. Now we will style this paragraph. So let's say class name that is going to be mx auto, leading relax, then text will be base. Okay, then margin bottom will be 4. Let's copy this classes and we'll paste it in the remaining paragraphs. Let's save this. And now let's import this home component inside app.js. Okay, so here in app.js we will import the home page, but first let's remove the logo. I'm not going to use this logo. Okay, and here also let's delete this logo. We are not going to use this logo.svg. Okay, let's close this, and let's even remove this app.css. We are going to use Tailwind CSS classes, so no need of custom CSS. And now here I will import the home page, home component. So here I'll write a comment like pages, and here I'll say import home from /pages/home. Okay, and here I'll just remove this home component, and here I'll say home. Okay, let's save this, and here I will add few classes for this component. So let's remove this. This was some classes which I added earlier, which are not required now. So here I'll do max width, that is going to be screen MD. Okay, and max auto padding top will be 20. Save this, and now we can check this in the browser, but let me see in the terminal it's running or not. So it is not running, so let me clear this out, and here we can say npm start. Okay, so as you can see, we are getting this hello, welcome to my blog. The text is not in the center, so let's check why it is. So this is mx auto. Let's go back. Now as you can see, this is in the center, and we are getting this h1 tag which is hello, welcome to my blog, and these are the dummy text which we added in a paragraph. Okay, now we need to navigate our pages. So if we want to go to about us page from home page, then we need to use routing. For that, we need to install a package which is React Router DOM. So inside the terminal, first let's stop the terminal by pressing Ctrl C. Okay, let me clear this, and here I will do npm install --save React router DOM, okay, and hit enter. So this will help us to navigate between the pages. So this is done. Now we need to import browser router. Okay, so import browser router as router. So we are renaming browser router as router. Then we need route. Then we need routes. Okay, so these are the things which we require. Now we will wrap this entire div inside a router. So here I'll type router and let's cut this out, and here I'll paste it. Then this home component I will wrap inside routes. Okay, let me cut this out and I'll paste it. Let me make this small. Okay, now I will add this home component inside a route. Okay, so let's cut this out, and here I'll do route, and we need to use two props. The first one is path. So for home page I will do slash. Okay, then we require element that is equal to home component, and let's close this route. Okay, let's save this, and now let's start our application. So let me clear this, and here I'll do npm start. Now in the browser, if I do slash hello and if I hit enter, so we won't be able to see anything. We can see that our app does not display anything, which is exactly what we would expect. So this routing is working perfectly fine. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video.